adding materials to your part or your assembly. So what we've got here is our pencil sharpener. This is part 1 for the main body. And if we go and look down the bottom right at our mass properties, you can see currently there is no mass. It tells us the volume, the surface area, but we have no idea how much this weighs. What we need to do is we need to add some materials. So we may want to, well, we're going to right click on here on part 1 and we're going to go to assign material. Now, you could add your own custom material, all right? And what you do is you would type in a name if it's not in the main library. You could go and Google all of these different elements of it. So there's a great place to go called MatWeb. If you wanted, I don't know, something like, as you can see, I've done PLA before in the past. Click on it, add search, and you can go to your overview of the materials for PLA. And you can see you can find loads of different bits of information that you can just transfer across. It's quite complicated in terms of what is here, but once you have the right information, drop it in there and you can make your own custom materials. Otherwise, you can use the library, Onshape library. So if we were to say that this is, I don't know, going to be some form of aluminium, some aluminium alloy, let's go for just aluminium 1060, green ticket. If I then go and click on part 1 and go to the mass properties, what you can see is this now has a mass of 0.004 kilograms, okay, which is much better than having no information. We can then also add part 2, right click on it, assign material, and let's go for, let's just go for, what have we got? A carbon steel, green tick that. It's going to be far too heavy for what we actually need. Then if I click on this part here, part 2, mass properties, you can see that is 0.001 kilograms. All right, so it's very, very useful in terms of starting to understand what your product is going to be functioning or how your product's going to be functioning and making sure you have got the correct materials for your part.